if we advance this 3 days, you're going to see that system strengthen. It's going to grow, and the wind speeds are going to pick up. So there we are at Saturday at 2 p.m., 1400. That is the Euro model. The GFS model has it getting even stronger. A little bit larger, but around the same location there. So there's the Euro model. That's Saturday at 2 p.m. And that is 1800 Universal Time, if you're wondering. 1400 Eastern Time. That's our local time here in Lehigh Valley. 1800 Universal Time on Saturday, the Euro forecast. And there is the GFS forecast for that same period.